In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let others duplicate your Notion page. This process is perfect for sharing your carefully crafted notes, documents, or templates with friends, colleagues, or anyone else who might benefit from your work. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your connected workspace on Notion. This should be familiar territory for those of you who use Notion for organizing your tasks, projects, and notes. If you happen to find yourself not logged in, go ahead and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, you'll be directed to your Notion home. The Notion home is your hub, where all of your pages and workspaces are conveniently listed. Now, locate the specific page you wish to allow others to duplicate. If you have a lot of pages, use the search bar to find the exact one quickly. Clicking on a page will open it up, displaying all the content you've created. This might include text, images, tables, or other elements you've utilized to construct the page. Once your desired page is open, look to the top right corner where you'll find the Share button. Click on this. By default, most Notion pages are set to be viewed only by people you invite. You'll notice an option that says, Only People Invited. Don't worry, we're going to change this. Click on the option that reads, Only People Invited, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option, Anyone on the web with link. By selecting this option, you're opening up your page to be viewed by anyone who has the URL link. But importantly for duplication purposes, you also want to be sure this setting allows for others to duplicate the page. Ensure that the Allow Duplicate as Template box is checked. This setting empowers others to take your page setup and create a version in their own Notion workspaces. After making sure these settings are correct, you might want to return to the main Share menu and click Invite. Here, you can directly type in the email addresses of people you think would benefit from duplicating your page. Sending this invitation is a great way to notify them directly, rather than just sharing a link indirectly, if that's what you prefer. By following these clear steps, you'll have successfully set up your Notion page to be duplicated by others. It's as simple as adjusting a few settings and sharing a link, enabling collaboration and the spreading of ideas. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for your future sharing endeavors on Notion.